Quilters, 'tis the season for a little refresh. AccuQuilt is introducing 3 new dies for busting stashes, updating decor, and treating your sewing circle. Let's first welcome our new friend, the Gnome. This applique die includes 5 hard-to-cut shapes for the gnome hat, beard, body, nose, and shoes. Cut up to 4 layers of pre-fused cotton quilting fabric, or get creative with wool, felt, flannel, fleece, cuddle, monkey fur, and more to give your gnome a unique look. Add this to garden and home decor projects, and you'll be saying, "Gnome, sweet gnome." If you love making handmade gifts, the Go Pin Cushion is the perfect excuse to treat yourself so you can treat others. This do-it-yourself project die cuts the shapes needed for a 3-inch square pin cushion that sits 2 inches tall. In just one pass through the cutter, you'll have all the pieces needed to create 3 pin cushions. The Go Pin Cushion also includes 2 applique shapes for a sewing machine and a spool to add some flair to this or other sewing projects. Add buttons, ribbon, and embroidery, then stuff with walnut shells, stuffing, rice, steel wool, or plastic beads. Personalize for a quilter you love, or all for you and your sewing room. And if you just want a new block to piece, we're bringing the Go Arkansas Traveler 12-inch finished block on board die to our collection. Cut all the shapes you need for one 4-color quilt block in just one pass through the cutter. All block on board dies featured specialized dog ears and a 1/4-inch seam allowance for easy piecing and alignment. Each new die is compatible with all our Go cutters and the Studio cutter with the appropriate adapter. All applique shapes have 3 free embroidery files in satin, blanket, and motif stitches. From holiday and garden theme patterns to decor and gifting, these new dies will be a great way to treat your friends and refresh your home for the season. Remember, at AccuQuilt, we're excited to spread the joy of quilting by helping you cut time so you can quilt more.